Assalamualaikum friends, Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, friends, I will share some cheerful wooden Christmas centerpiece decoration ideas. Friends, looking for cozy and rustic Christmas decoration ideas? Let's make two wooden centerpiece that bring festive charm to any home. First up, a rustic wooden trick centerpiece. Paint wooden triangle with a soft white finish and a touch of spring of green and bright thread. Very simple, elegant and totally formal. Weavers and next to meet our Santa log family. Grab a few wood logs, paint red heads and white beads, then glue on little nose and dot the eyes. Tie them together with a ribbon and go giant, ready to welcome your guests. Fairy lights are pink ones for that magical Christmas glow, warm, handmade and full of holiday spirit. These giant centerpieces are perfect for your home or as a gift. Weavers and cozy Christmas centerpiece. The warmth of Christmas into your home. A few wood slice homes, paint branches, candles, and you have got yourself the perfect rustic centerpiece. It's natural, simple, and full of holiday charm, because sometimes less really is more. Santa little table magic. Need star decorate when you can make magic yourself. Turn wood logs into Santa face, paint, glue, and of Christmas joy. Head above, and your Santa family is ready to spread smiles. Dye that fun, festive, and so cute. Weavers and turn your home into a winter wonderland. Arrange pinkles, ornaments, candles, snow-covered branches. Add a touch of silver and white for that forest magic, because Christmas is just a holiday, it's a feeling. So friends, Allah Hafiz.